Hey people, I have here a U.S. military issue Waterbury long shackled brass padlock. Now this type of padlock is not intended for security. They're meant to keep low security access points locked, but also if access is needed immediately, the shackle is soft brass and can be gone through with a fire axe or similar hacksaw in seconds. So I'm using top of the keyway tension here and a half diamond, and there's really very little room to move around in these keyways, but there's the first pin, binding pin set. Bring the second one to shear. I think I overset a pin there. There we go. Open. Now, as with all U.S. military issue locks, this is a key retaining lock. As you can see, it will not return to, the keyway won't return to its locked position without the key in it. So we'll go ahead and lock that back up. And there we go. So thank you, Ed Smiley, for the lock. Pretty cool. I love U.S. military of any type, in fact, locks. So peace as always. Thank you for watching. Thanks, Sparrows, for the support. SparrowsLockPicks.com, and check out keypicking.com as well. Really excellent site if you want to learn how to pick locks. So until next time, don't break the law and have fun.